Hello everyone, it's Peter here. As you see, I've got two TVs with cracked screens. Let's switch them back on and switch them back off and on. So that's what it is. So guys, what is the purpose? The purpose of this video, as the title is saying, can we fit mainboard from the LG to the LG? But just a 1 minute story. I went to Edinburgh today. I had 4 TVs for £20. The petrol, let's say £20 for all of them. Yes, maybe less. So let's say £25 one each of them. And now I've got here LG, which looks similar. We will check if we can fit the board. So I'll pause the recording, yes. And another two we will check at another time, because those ones have no damaged screen. So it's worth to do segregated episodes on each. That one is Samsung UE model. Yes, not UN model, UE model. So again, it's faulty, useless for me, yes, but the mainboard and the power supply and COFs, yes, and the driver board are still good. And I don't know if that's the model with the diffuser or it's still the full backlight one. I don't know, yes. Anyways, back to the story. I'll be right back. Okay, as it won't be a long video, I can show you as well. Oh, does it have, oh no, it has 2 screws. Okay, be right back. Okay, now hopefully it's all of them. Oh no. Really? I have to pry it? I thought screws and that's you. No. Okay, I'll pry it and be right back. Okay guys, so I can show you now how it looked like. Here we've got a T-Con version, which is T-Con separated from everything. Sorry for the lighting. That's power supply and the main board, which is quite similar. So I will take it out and we will see if that will fit to one of my ones. Yes, so I'll be right back. I'm quite curious if it will even fit, you know, with if it will fit with the connectors. Yes, be right back. Okay guys, so I wanted to read you the model. Okay, that's my one. That's the one which I took the main board from, which is a 43UH610V for Victor. And this has some of them have speaker here at the back, but not this. And here is 43UK 6470 PLC, so it's a different one. But the main board is quite similar. It's not identical, but it is quite similar. Look, here, yes, the setup of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you've got coaxial, you know, here. Then it's a different one. Yeah, here you've got USB and HDMI's are here. And HDMI is here and here, so this is a bit different, but I want to check if this will fix the issue of this TV, if it's only the mainboard issue or the display issue. Yes, if it's a display issue, then I need to figure it out what's wrong. So I'll pause again the recording. For those who don't remember, we had a gray screen, so that's mean no LVDS signals pretty much produced. Maybe DC-DC converter or something, I don't know, I didn't have a time, so I was waiting for something similar, and I've ordered one board as well online, because my one is 4K, yes, 43 inch, so it's worth repairing, because about 150, 160 pounds, 160 I've seen on eBay, yes. So be right back, I'll open my one. So guys, these TVs are completely different, completely not compatible. My one has 2 connectors and has built in the how you call it, the T-Con, yes, inside, whereas this one has only the signal here and this signal here, and this goes to the T-Con, which then is taking the signal to the display. So it's completely 2 different technologies. We can't use it, so no luck guys. Now you know. If you want to check my whole list, what I'm building about compatibility in between boards in each brand, then I will be having it in the bookrepair.online.co.uk. in the forum, yes, so which ones are compatible, and we will be creating a list over there as well. So once you hit the list, you check the model, then we will be able to add another section, you know, like compatible with, and then we can add comments to that, yes. But that's it in this video. Thank you. If you did like or subscribe, thank you very much. That's really helping this channel. I can't believe I just said that we had like 100 subscribers, so I already 111 the last time I've checked it. It's just unbelievable. It's like just few days and I'm just checking it, it's 111. It's like wow. And one of the videos had shorts, yes, one of the shorts had like ton of I'll tell you 375 views, you know, like wow, more than everything else. So guys, thank you. If you did like, you did subscribe, that's really helping this channel. Here's likes for you as well. Guys, see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll find more compatibilities in the future and we can update that list or convert, and which converter, where to buy it or how to build it, yes, we can do as well later on. So guys, for those who are chasing those to fix them all, thank you, that you're doing a great job. If you want to integrate with me, book repaironline.co.uk. We can build. That software is, by the way, free if you use our suppliers. So if £10 per month is too much for you and you're running your own household repair shop as I do, or on the street, get in touch with me. I can help you out to have it for free. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.